What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Two Deals video, and today we caught Tools Direct re-up. And so I checked Tools Direct this morning. I'm like, oh dang, I forgot to check, because I checked Monday and they only had 160 items, and that's pretty much baseline. Those 160 items are pretty much boo-boo. Nobody wants them. But anytime I see a thing pop up to 200, I know they're adding new items. So I checked about an hour ago, well, not even an hour, and it was 208 items, and I just refreshed it because I bought a dehumidifier. And it's now 228. So they're adding items, and look at what they add. They just put this up, this framing nailer, 30% off, $2.99. I bought both of these, as you can see, these dehumidifiers, because this house, boy. Let's just go look at some listings. Here's I was trying to figure out how many batteries came with this, but you have this blower, 730 CFM at 190 miles an hour. This 40 volt, two 4 amp hour batteries. Shoot, I shouldn't even be showing y'all this. I need to buy this myself just to have some extra batteries for the lawnmower and stuff. All right, so you get two 4 amp hour batteries. Just make sure you check it when you get it, okay? Yeah, two 4 amp hour batteries with this blower. It'll be 209 with an additional 30% off. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna probably buy one though. So probably be one left. Then we also have this porta cable pancake compressor. I saw a couple of you guys in the group that was looking for one. I went on ahead and added this URL to the thread in the Facebook group, so this might be gone by the time you guys see this. But $79 with an additional 30% off there. Then we have this DeWALT hammer drill. I don't know which one it is. I meant to check that model. Okay, so it's corded though. So this is a corded DW511 corded, $50 with an additional $30 off. I have this Milwaukee rear handle circular saw, $199 with an additional 30% off. And I keep saying all that, but don't forget that Retail Me Not is affiliated with eBay, so you'll get 1% cash back. Rakuten apparently is no longer affiliated with eBay, so that's gone, but we do have Retail Me Not, and 1% is better than nothing. That's all. If this was $1.99, that'd be a whole $1.90. I'd take $1.90. That stuff adds up. As you can see, what am I at? I will say usually have my little rewards. It's like almost $200 cash back, man. And then also we have this other Ryobi blower, okay, Whisper series. So the Whisper series, I don't want to mock Ryobi that bad, because their Whisper series products, they quiet. They legit quiet. I was looking at the Cobalt fan in Lowe's a few days ago, and they had it, set up with the battery and all that, and it's loud, man. That Ryobi's the quietest one I've ever in my life seen. So the Whisper series stuff is really good. 450 CFM, which is nothing to. I've never even seen anything as high as the other one at 730. That's just incredible. But yeah, 450, $99 with 30% off, so that brings you $60 and some change. Then, of course, we had this framing nail. I already showed you guys that at $2.99. So just run through this stuff, y'all. Brad nailer. With DeWALT, they're not allowed to show the actual pictures, so you kind of just got to read it. Look at this. Cordless compact kit. It's just saying, see, what is this? Oh, it's out of stock, whatever it is. That just happened because I just refreshed it. So it was the DCD 708 C2, and that was a kit for $69. Oh snap, it was a drill. It was a drill with 2 batteries, charger, bag, $69 with an additional 30% off. So run over here to Tools Direct. I'm gonna just leave a link to the actual store, and you guys can just shop. All right, so moving on, we have Bomgaars. I found this on Slick Deals. Feel free to sign up for Slick Deals. Your free account won't cost you anything. And you will find other deals. They found some good deals on Slick Deals. It's a community just like how we have on Facebook, but it's a lot more people. So, and then they also do more than just tools. So, all types of stuff here: shoes, cell phones, cameras, food. Look, I was about to say food. Here's some Van Waffles, mini Stroop waffles. There you go, right there. So, a lot of stuff there. Anyway, I found this over at Bomgaars. And guess what, y'all? I have a story to tell you real fast. I've never heard of Bomgaars, but I know they're in the Midwest. And when I first moved to the Midwest, one of my neighbors asked why I was going so far to the department store, and they were like, "Why don't you just go to Bomgaars? Why don't you just go to Bomgaars?" And I'm like, what are they saying? I was just like, oh, okay. because I didn't know what they were saying. Because, obviously we didn't have Bomgaars on the East Coast. So I just ignored them, and I just decided today to say, like, where is one? Because it keeps bragging, well, we're the Midwest store. Bruh, it's literally one down the street from the house. Yeah, I've been driving so far this whole time. It's one literally down the street from my house. They kept saying, it's just down there. It's just down there. I'm like, yeah, okay, I've never seen anything going down there. All right. But yeah, because I don't make the left that I need to make to go to Bomgaars. And it's literally all there is in this little town. Just boom, Bomgaars. So anyway, I'm going to go there. I'm going to go there this weekend. But yeah, so we have this DeWALT impact driver. It's the atomic compact bad boy that produces 1,825 inch-pounds of torque, 5 amp hour battery charging the bag for $119. $119.99. This thing is normally $219. It's $219 everywhere else. $119.99. There is no retail me not or Rakuten or even extra bucks, but there you go. So all right, moving on over to the Facebook group. Patrick, I was gonna mention this today anyway, but I'm gonna give Patrick the credit because he posted it. Over at Home Depot, we have these Milwaukee jab saws for $3.82. And as your mileage may vary, every store is not gonna have them, but they $3.82 for a pack of 2. He bought a whole bunch of them, so run out to the stores. All right, and then also I seen someone else that got these batteries for $70. They were $99 during the holiday season, which is a good deal, but now also $70 is even better. So thank you, Patrick. Moving on, Angel Lopez. I can't believe he still found this Weehaw set. This was like 6 weeks ago. This deal came out, and they've been pretty much gone at most of the Lowe's I've seen, but he found them in San Antonio, of all places, for $8.75. So, yeah, they still out there, y'all. Check them out. And then my man Joel, he found all the deals. Okay, so he found this universal gutter cleaning kit. Now, I have the one from, I want to say it's Craftsman. It might be a Toro, though, but mine don't look like this. I have one, too, and it's not that good. I've made a video on it, but literally like a year and a half ago. I never posted it. I edited it and stuff. It was a bad video in my opinion, but this thing is heavy as crap. It's a workout. It almost makes you feel like I could have just got the ladder and just reached down in there and grabbed it. While because I can't tell you which one to take longer. Either way, it's not a fun job. This is heavy as I don't know what. It constantly gets clogged. So, he found this for $5. I ain't even show you how much it costs. $5.50. I think I paid $40 for mine from Amazon a year and a half ago. But yeah, y'all, this almost better off just getting a big ladder, putting it up there, and just reaching it. Your hand is gonna clean it better than this. That's just a fact. But $5.50. If all you have is just simply leaves, it might work all right. But don't let them be wet or anything like that, which they probably are, because it's not gonna work well. So anyway, I went to Lowe's the other day, so let's go ahead and look at some of my pictures from Lowe's. We have this Bosch self-leveling cross-line laser with plumb joints, marked down from $169.99 at some of the Lowe's out there. Then we have another one for $49. I don't know why this thing is in the way. There we go. It's $49 marked down from $69. This level, and then we had some. There we go. Now it's gone. Then we have some other Cobalt tools. It was just funny because I literally that day, and I was giggling to myself as I was in there, made a video earlier on drywall screw guns and cutout tools, showing you how the Bosch is the best cutout tool out there. But shoot, for $59, I don't know. Because the Bosch comes with that little dust shroud, which I love. These things are dusty as crap. You want a dust shroud. So I would just say get the Bosch. It's just going to make your life easier, clean up easier. Not worth the savings, if you ask me. And right now, that Bosch is like a buy one, get one. So, yeah, you can't beat it. Then we have the drywall screw gun. I don't believe this has an auto feature like the Milwaukee or the Bosch. And the Bosch is super light. It's a little longer, but it's super light, highly ergonomic, again, to the Bosch. But this is only $59. But that Bosch is also on the buy one, get one. I think it's $139. and it comes with a 4-amp-hour battery and a charger, or 2 4-amp-hour batteries. And the cutout tool, I think, is like $119 or something like that, with 2 4-amp-hour batteries or a charger and a battery. So you kind of can't beat that. Then we had this whole haul set, and these were carbide tipped, $59 9-piece. That's a great deal. Marked down from $99 at Lowe's. Then we had this Craftsman. You could buy this online, I'm sure. So I'm gonna try to find this and leave a link to it. But if not, if I forget, you guys can just look for this. Zoom in. I'm zooming in for you so you can look at the item number 997803. I think that's what it is. So yeah, this Craftsman 81 piece is $69, marked down from $149. And the reason why I like these, they have another kit that's has more pieces, but it's not the same. These are 120 tooth ratchets. That's what makes this so cool. This 1/4 inch and this 3/8 inch, they are 120 tooth ratchets. Same for this one over here. I can't remember how much this one was, but this is also 120 tooth, and it has a 1/4, 3/8, and a 1/2 inch ratchet. So I think I took a picture of it. There we go. So yeah, see, 120 tooth ratchet. The other one's a 72 tooth, so you got to watch out. This is 129, marked down from 199. That is a good deal. Those Huskies are generally $99 or $89, but they're 72 tooth ratchets, and I always recommend swapping them out. And after you do that, you didn't spend like $120, but you do have more pieces. So anyway, there's that. Then I went by Harbor Freight just to show you guys. And this is the older hammer drill. Well, it's a compact. It is older, but it's a compact hammer drill, so it doesn't provide all the oomph that the bigger one does. This is on clearance for $39. And then they had an open box impact wrench for $63, marked down from $79. So always remember, I just did this. How did I miss this? How did I miss this SDS bit? Oh my gosh. Anyway, always go to the back of the store. In the corner, they have open box stuff, so check that stuff out. And that is it for today's video. For real this time, if you got any value from this video, I ask you to subscribe, like, comment, share it with your brethren, and I'll see you guys next time.